Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the heart of customer lifecycle tracking with Monday.com, the all-in-one project management platform. Now, the first step to track customer lifecycles is to set up a board specifically for this purpose. You'll want to create a board that includes columns for every step of your customer's journey, from initial contact to final sale and beyond. This is crucial because it allows you to visualize each customer's journey and easily pinpoint where in the process they currently are. Once you've got your board set up, you'll want to start adding your customers to it. You can do this manually, or better still, utilize Monday.com's integrations to automatically pull in customer data from your CRM system. This step is immensely important as it saves you time and reduces errors that can occur when manually inputting data. Now that we've populated our board, let's move on to automation. Monday.com allows you to set up automation rules that move customers along the board as they progress through their life cycle. For instance, once a sale is marked as complete, the customer can automatically move to the customer retention column. The reason we do this is to ensure that no customer gets lost in the shuffle and that each one receives the attention they deserve. Next up, we need to keep track of key metrics. Monday.com provides a variety of options for this, such as time tracking, which can help you understand how long each stage of the customer lifecycle takes. This helps us because it allows us to identify bottlenecks and improve our processes. Now, let's talk about reports. With Monday.com, you can generate reports that give you an overview of your customer lifecycle tracking. You can see how many customers are in each stage, how long they stay there, and more. This is valuable because it helps you make data-driven decisions and continually improve your customer lifecycle management. That's pretty much it. With these steps, you can effectively track customer lifecycles in Monday.com. Remember, the key is to keep your board organized, automate as much as possible, and utilize reports to stay informed. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy tracking.